How to put back together a Dyson vacuum cleaner. First, reinstall the filter. Take the dry filter and insert it back into the top rear of the main vacuum. Twist it clockwise until it clicks or locks into place. Dyson specifies that the filter must be completely dry before reinstalling it. Step 2. Put the bin back on. Align the clear bin with the bin runner on the vacuum. Slide the bin into position until the red release catch engages. Dyson's official instructions say to slide the bin onto the runner and make sure it is fully secure. Step 3. Close the bin. Push the clear bin upward until it clicks into place. Check that the bin is securely attached before continuing. Step 4. Attach the wand. Line up the wand with the opening on the main vacuum. Push it in until you hear the click. Dyson's instructions describe pressing the wand release button to remove it and reconnecting the wand to the machine for reassembly. Then step 5. Attach the cleaner hand. Finally, connect the cleaner hand to the bottom of the wand. Push it in until it clicks securely. And then step 6. Test the vacuum. Make sure the filter is locked in, the bin is fully attached, and the wand is clicked in. Then turn the vacuum on and make sure everything works normally. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.